Y'all heard that loud high pitch. Sounded like a belt squeaking on your car engine. That was a hummingbird. Has anybody ever heard that? And what's the reasoning behind it?